If it's charred at the edge, yum. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Rated V. Today we're checking out where you can find vegan paella. That's something that you need to have here if you're visiting Valencia because that's kind of what they're known for. Yes, you can find paella de verdura, which is vegetable paella throughout the city. However, this place makes it super special because they make it to order at the moment. It's not pre-made. They use real vegetables, so let's check it out. So another thing I like about this place is that they serve you a lot of traditional tapas too. So like here you can get croquetas, which if you were to go to any other like bar here in Spain, you kind of have to miss out on it because it's not vegan. This one, it is vegan and it's made out of mushroom filling and other vegetables, and it looks crispy fried, and they have their own house-made aioli. So good. Honestly, one of the things I like about vegan croquetas, the vegan ones don't feel as heavy. Think about it, if you like deep fry meat, that's already oily meat. It's heavier. This one feels at least a little lighter. Yes, it's deep fried, but I prefer vegan croquetas just because of the texture. So as you can see, the paella has arrived. What I really like about this place is that they make everything to order. They will cut the vegetables and make the paella to order, which is something really important to know. Because if you ever come to Valencia, you will notice there's paella everywhere. However, they've told me that a lot of these places, because they're tourist attractions, they just put in frozen vegetables. Not only that, but they'll just add like literally little, like maybe a handful of vegetables, and they call it vegetable paella. Here it's like paella full of vegetables. The other fun thing here is that they have vegan shrimp, because shrimp is something that they add typically in paella also. As you can see, the shrimp here looks so spot on. It's actually made out of soy and tofu, and then they add some, you know, like natural color to it. The other thing I like about this place is that that's how you know a paella is legit. It has the crispy edges. If it's charred at the edge, yum. The color in here is vibrant. All right, let's try this. You can genuinely taste the vegetables. It's really flavorful. You can tell they make it on the spot, which is nice. It's not bland. I've had some vegetable vegan paellas that are pretty bland. This one's full of the seasonings. All right, let's try some of this vegan shrimp. Okay, so I'll be honest, I've never actually had real shrimp, but I like this texture. It's not like overpowering. It's not like super chewy. It's a nice fun play on traditional shrimp. I highly recommend it. You should definitely try it. Last but not least, you know I love my dessert. So here you can also get a homemade vegan dessert, and the ice cream they make themselves, it's actually a coconut base, and it has like brownie chunks in it and banana, and then of course you get your vegan chocolate cake with a chocolate vegan ganache. Your chocolate liver, yo, that's really good. Can't go wrong. All right, so that's a wrap. I hope you guys check this place out. If you're ever in Valencia, you gotta try some vegan paella. They also have other vegan dishes to try, like vegan Peking duck, vegan salmon. Very interesting. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to write them down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.